If you have been getting notifications, all right, when somebody replies to a comment you leave on a YouTube channel or likes, and all of a sudden it stopped. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to fix that in easy steps.
First, tap on your YouTube app, the mobile app. As the mobile app opens, tap on your profile, which can be at the bottom right. Once you get to this page, tap on settings, which may be at the top right. On tapping on settings, tap on notifications. When you get to the notifications, scroll down, alright? Look at activity on my comment, which states notify me about replies, likes, and other activity on my comments and activity on my posts, okay, on other channels. Please tap on this button. It's toggled off here. Tap on it for it to be toggled on. You can see your changes were saved and you're good. So with this, when some channels reply to your comments, you get notification on that. Mine stopped. I didn't know what happened, but I just toggled it on.